How to use Gemini to generate codes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini to generate code, whether it's Python, HTML, JavaScript, or anything else. This is super helpful for students, beginners, and anyone learning to program. So let's jump right in. You can open up Gemini in your browser or go to the Gemini app. Now, to generate code, you just have to go to the chat box and write your prompt. So, I am write a Python code to calculate the area of circle. So, I'll send this and then just wait for a while and it will give you a clean and readable code. You just have to tap on open. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Similarly, you can ask Gemini to create an HTML page with a heading and a button, or make a JavaScript function that shows today's date. So, if you don't understand this, then you can come back and ask Gemini to explain this like I am a beginner. So, Gemini will explain each and every step for you and help you understand the logic behind the program. And then that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.